Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back on Two We Talks. We're here on this windy Monday morning to have a first unboxing review of the Givi V47 Top Case. I've bought this for my Duke 790. This is actually a used top box, so it's not really an unboxing review, but I still thought it would be interesting for you to see why I've chosen this box. As you can see, V47 mono key system. It comes already with its backrest installed, and it's a mono key system from Givi. So it comes with two keys. What you can see here is the spare key I'm using, because I've got my second key on together with the motorbike key. It's closed now, so you have to push the button. Now with one hand it's not that easy. Let me try and drop the video. Okay, so you can see, press it, opens, and this is the inside. So what I've done yesterday is I've prepared some soft material on the bottom, because it comes with nothing, it's just raw plastic. This should help dampen a bit when riding, and it comes with this elastics to fasten your goods inside. I don't think these are really necessary or useful. I'll see if I can just remove them, maybe. Whatever, not a big issue. As you can see, the previous owner would just use it for last season. Had installed the backrest. You can see how it's fastened there. Production date, I don't know if you can see the focus, but it was produced in 2016. But it's actually the latest 47 model. Why have I chosen this version? In fact, I've compared it in a shop with the Maxia. The Maxia was just slightly larger here. This was the difference. Not that you could actually fit many more things, and this looks quite big enough already for such a naked bike like mine, so thought it would be good. But the first question we have to answer is, what can we fit in here? It says 2 helmets should fit. I've tested, let's see if they fit. So first we're gonna place my HJC Alpha 11 inside. Okay, so you can see I actually have a small issue with the rear wing. It looks like it won't fit, and from my tests yesterday I have to buy a stand or something for my camera, because I'm realizing that doing these videos with one hand, it's not that easy. But if I put it in this way, it should probably fit. But I do not recommend to get this helmet with this top case. And this is my LS2 something helmet from my girlfriend. It fits much better. Let's see if we can close it. Nearly. Done. Closed. It's safe. I can remove the key and it's locked. We managed to close it. However, as you can see, it looks like the helmet is pushing a bit up, and it's forcing it not to stay fully closed 100%. But it seems safe enough. I mean, for me, that's good. Nonetheless, that's not the use I'll do of this top case. Most likely not going to fit 2 helmets in there. What I'll do is I'd like to fit the jackets inside. I mean the other stuff. For the helmets, what I bought is this key here. On guard, I mean, it was 16 euros of eBay, not sorry, of Amazon, and it should be sturdy enough to keep the two helmets secured to the bike, while in here I plan on putting the jackets and gloves and then other stuff. So we have an example. You can see that my jacket can fit pretty easily inside, even though I have all the protections inside. It fits rather well. You can even fold it enough, it would take less space, but fitting two jackets, it's absolutely no problem. I've already tried, yeah. Okay, so let's wait for the first review on the bike. Once I get my other SW Mortec adapter plates and so on to install it on my bike, we'll have the unboxing video and the bike test video coming up in 1 or 2 weeks, according to when the dealer can actually provide me these items. I have ordered them already. Let's see. As you can see, this is the smog lenses version with a fake carbon fiber top. It exists in aluminum and red here, 4 combinations. This was in Italy 190 euros plus 30 more or less for the backrest. If you'd buy it online, best prices, so it's around 220 euros best price. I spent 130 for this one used, which looks like new, so I'm pretty satisfied. Let's see how it behaves on the bike. And guys, you all have a nice day. Thanks for watching.